Hello everyone, in this video I'll be doing an electronic review. The item that I'll be reviewing is by a company called Meco, and it's a mini wireless keyboard. As you can see, it comes in a plain cardboard box. Okay, that's because it's an affordable keyboard, and obviously they're just cutting down on stuff like the basically the design of the box and just basically that, a lot of things, for example, like that. On top of that, you just get a piece of paper with just the information instead of a booklet, such as that. Now, the keyboard itself is made for basically to connect to anything basically that has Bluetooth, and anything from a computer to a laptop to iPad to any tablets, smartphones, etc. Okay, because this has a Bluetooth built in. Okay, the user guide manual itself, this it shows that it's 2.4 gigahertz wireless air keyboard user manual. Goes through a few features that it has, which I'll be showing you in a moment. Few of the things, for example, multimedia, volume plus, volume minus, silent, a mouse pointer, low battery indicator, my computer, play stop, previous, next, stop. So we got a lot of things built in. The keyboard itself, as you can see, it's something that it has to be used by both of your hands. It can't be used with one hand, otherwise you have to hold it horizontally. The keyboard itself is made out of full-on plastic. Okay, although the plastic, I wouldn't say it's a poor quality plastic, because the quality of the buttons, everything are overall okay, but as you can see the buttons actually moving up and down, so that's one of the downside. But overall, the actual buttons here are all fine. It's just the side buttons are very how should I explain this? More of a, they keep wobbling. Okay, all of them, as you can see. So that's just the one downside of the actual quality. Other than that, it is affordable, so you can't really complain about that. You can see that at the back, it has the grips to just put it down on a table and it won't move. It requires two AA batteries to actually operate this keyboard, and that's where it goes in. Okay, let me put that back in. Alright, so after that, it has a mouse built in here. Is a rolling mouse as well, so that's quite fun to use. On top of that, it has another one scrolling down. It has two mouse pointers there, left and right. It has two there as well. It looks like more like a gaming pad. Overall, just the basic a keyboard. Okay, with just a bit of features, more extra features. For example, instead of going to music, you can just press the music button. It will go to music. Volume up, volume down. On this side, it has rewind, fast forward, go to home button, search, etc. Okay, it is a keyboard that looks quite nice as well, to be honest. Quality wise, it's not the best. It is lightweight as well. Okay, and it obviously doesn't come with any AA battery, so you have to purchase that separately. But overall, in my opinion, I would say I'll rate this around 7 out of 10. It's something that obviously is budgetable, priced keyboard, and anyone can afford it. And if you're looking for something that you want to connect to your PC, laptop, tablet, etc., this is perfect. But if you're looking for a high quality built one, then this ain't the right one. You should spend a little bit more and buy a better one. If you're interested in this, just go on search engine or on Amazon and type in Meco mini wireless Bluetooth keyboard, and it should come up. So thank you for watching my video. Please give a like and subscribe.